Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to wind the bobbin on a EuroPro model 464XC sewing machine. First thing you want to do is plug the unit in and power it on. Then you're going to grab your thread, put it on your post at the back there. You're going to grab your thread, then move over to this tension disc right here. Push it in just like that. Come back around. Then you're going to grab your bobbin. Try not to drop it. You're going to put the thread through any one of the holes. Then you're going to come over to your bobbin winder right here. Push it on. Push the bobbin winder over. Then you're going to start using your foot pedal. Push it down, it'll start winding, and it'll stop once it's full. Alright, so now you can see it popped over on its own. Wasn't actually much thread left to put on there anyways. So it pops it over. So it's ready to go. We're just going to grab our knife here. Give it a little cut. Pop off our bobbin. And then you load it in and you're good to start sewing. Hopefully you found this helpful, everyone. And as always, please like and subscribe.